Hello guys, I'm Paul from company Icony. We produce and export high pressure washer professionally. This is our most popular high pressure washer, and that's also popular high pressure washer. Our high pressure washer can be used to wash the garden. For example, the garden furniture, garden floor, and the windows. And we can also wash our cars and also carpet. Now I'll show you how to wash the garden floor. This is our most popular. This is home use. Okay, this is downstroke, and we are all assemble the machine and turn on the machine. So look at it. We can change another nozzle. This is 15 grade. It has much power. Another one. This is 0 grade nozzle. It has much press. You can also wash the clothes, for example. Okay. This one is 25 grade nozzle. It has much power.